All right, here we got the 2006 Toyota Highlander Hybrid limited edition. What we're going to be doing today is just replacing the rotors and the pads. Super simple. We actually already knocked out the back. We'll drop some clips of that. Went pretty smooth. We had a couple hiccups. But other than that, it's very simple. What's going to happen here is we've got to pull this bolt and then the corresponding bolt down there off. So we'll pull out the part, the caliper. And then obviously we want to get this mount off so we can get the rotor off. And then those bolts will be like right here and then down there. So just 4 bolts, super simple. I guess the hardest part is just kind of popping the pads in there afterwards, you know, and compressing the caliper. So we're going to knock this out and kind of, you know, give you some tips along the way and, you know, see how she goes. So stay tuned. What I found really interesting about this is these bolts up front, all I had to do is break them loose, and they're like literally all I have to use is my hands to unscrew them after you break them loose. I thought that was pretty neat. Props to Toyota for building a good piece of equipment and not making me fight those bolts. All right, guys, we got everything off of here already. It was all pretty simple. I guess these bolts came off pretty easily and the caliper came off pretty easily, real short bolts. Now we're just gonna proceed to throw everything back on, throw the new parts on, and just hope everything goes smooth. So stay tuned. I wanted to stop right here real quick. When you guys get to this part, it's going to be extremely difficult. And you'll notice why real fast. But I'm just going to give you a little tip. All you need to do is you just take your piece and you kind of just gently get it set in right there. So it's on both sides. Now that we did that, I'm going to see if I can do it with one hand here. You just want to take it. You want to squeeze it in. Because you'll notice very quickly that this is probably one of the hardest parts. It's just getting this caliper in here. So, won't be able to show you guys everything. You know, I want to teach you how to wipe. I don't want to wipe you. So we're just going to throw that other one on and then get a quick clip of the caliper getting thrown on there. And then we'll have a summary. So, stay tuned. All right, of course, before we put the caliper on, we need to compress that caliper, get it out of the way. This is a little easy trick that I've been using. Kind of works pretty well. I just take a C-clamp, a wrench, and I just start to tighten it down. You can see that just moving. I'll give you a little example here. So, good tip. Try it out. Alright guys, we just finished up the driver side front end here. Went pretty smooth, I would say. Some things were a little bit seized. We had to take the torch to it. All in all, it went pretty smooth. We actually already got the back done. As you can see, there was a few clips of that. But anyways, so the next thing we're going to do, which is the last side, is a passenger side. I'm not going to do a step-by-step because you guys just seen that. It should be the same thing, but I will take a time lapse. You know, just kind of see. Thought it'd be pretty cool to kind of see it go by pretty fast. So anyways, stay tuned and we'll finish this video. I cut it out. That's okay. Not on there.